Hi DIYers, this is Michael from Alarm Grid, and today I'm going to show you how to clear a latched alarm from a Honeywell VISTA system using a Tuxedo Touch Keypad. Now, a latched alarm, to put it into very simple terms, it's just it's stuck in alarm mode, and you want to get it out of alarm mode. Normally, when you go and disarm a system, it clears the alarm. But the way that this system is designed, it has something called alarm memory. So that way, when you get home, maybe an alarm occurred while you were away and you didn't know about it, and the first thing you do would be immediately disarm the system. And then you potentially wouldn't know about the alarm. So Honeywell put in the feature called alarm memory to where you have to specifically acknowledge the alarm. Otherwise, it's not going to clear. So people will have an alarm on their system and they'll go to clear it and they'll do the disarm and they'll find that they're having trouble clearing the alarm. That's because of the alarm memory feature. The system wants to make sure that you know that the alarm happened, that you're aware of it. So it has this safety measure, so to speak, put into place to prevent you from not knowing about the alarm. You're going to know about the alarm. So you have to follow a specific process to clear it. And one thing that often confuses people, they think they have to go into console mode on their Tuxedo Touch. Console mode is having the Tuxedo act like an alphanumeric keypad. It's often used for programming. It's pretty useful. What's important to know about what I'm going to show you here today, you do not have to go into console mode at all to clear a latched alarm on a Tuxedo keypad. So you can do this all without console mode. So I actually have two sensors set up with the VISTA system here. One's programmed as a perimeter zone, and the other one's programmed as a 24-hour fire zone. So I just want to show you the processes for clearing both alarm types. We don't have an actual smoke detector enrolled with the system. I just enrolled a contact and set it up as a 24-hour fire zone just for example purposes, but it'll be the same principle. So I'm just going to go through them one by one and show you how you would clear these alarms. We'll start with the perimeter one. First, I'm going to arm the system. I'm just going to do it on this keypad here. And we entered our master code +2 to arm away, so our system's armed away now. And I'm going to fault this perimeter zone right here, and it's going to trigger an alarm. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we want to silence the alarm by entering a valid user code or the master code. There. We silenced the alarm by entering our master code, 1234. You'll see that we get this clear message to clear the alarm. We're going to go ahead and do that, but this isn't going to wipe it out all the way, but I will enter in the master code. That's the first thing you'll do when you get an alarm. You're going to want to stop the sounding. It was annoying for everyone in this room, and we wanted to stop it immediately, so we entered in a valid code. But if you see on the screen, it still says not ready, there's an alarm. We haven't cleared the alarm yet, so that's how you clear the latch part. We're going to show you that now. You see on the right here, it says faulted zones on the Tuxedo keypad. We're going to click on that, and it's going to pull up the list. It was zone number 9 that caused the alarm. That was our perimeter zone that caused the alarm. And one thing I want to make very clear, we're going to restore the zone. So that way the zone is restored. If you had a smoke detector and it was a fire alarm, you would have to get the smoke out of the chamber. If it was a carbon monoxide sensor, you'd have to get CO out of the chamber. You have to clear the alarm. 24-hour zone contact sensor, put the sensor back to the magnet. We've restored the zone. So now that our zone is restored, I can press clear down here, and I'm going to enter in the master code again, 2, 3, 4. Remember, that's the default one. And we get the chime, and we're ready to arm. So we're good to go.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
And the system confirms that for us. So now I'm going to show you the same thing, but I'm going to do it with this 5816 that I've programmed as a fire zone. We have it right up here. And once I set this off, it's going to go into an immediate fire alarm. So here we go. And
Fire zone 10.
you see that this time it says touch here to silent, it's more or less the same thing, but we just have to press this button to silence the alarm. Remember, we've restored the zone. In this case, we put it back together, the sensor and the magnet here. If this were a smoke detector, you'd have to wait for the smoke detector to clear out. But in our case, we can do the clear button. It took us right to the screen we needed to. And we're just going to enter in our master code, 3, 4. And sometimes it will require you to do it again, which is the case here. So we're going to just do it one more time, the faulted zones. And we're going to press clear at the bottom. And we're going to enter in our master code, 34. And now we're ready to arm. The latched alarm has been cleared from the system. As you can see, it's pretty much the same process, whether it's a burglary intrusion alarm or a fire alarm. But I just wanted to show the slight difference, that touch to silent button that comes up. Either way, that's how you would clear a latched alarm. You make sure that the sensor is restored, and then you do that disarm, and then you have to go to that faulted zone section and clear them. The reason, again, it makes you do that's alarm memory. It really wants you to know that the system was an alarm. So that way, if you just came home and immediately disarmed and the alarm went away then, you might not ever know about it. So that's why they have that alarm memory feature, and you have to clear that latched alarm by clearing the faulted zones. So that's how you clear a latched alarm on a Tuxedo Touch Keypad for a Honeywell VISTA system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up below to like the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel to get updates on future videos. And if you have any questions about the Tuxedo Touch or about Honeywell VISTA systems or alarm monitoring, shoot us an email at support@alarmgrid.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.